This is my latest instruction in Kidbrooke Village, part of Berkeley Homes, award-winning flagship development. And I have to say, I'm really excited to show you this. It is absolutely beautiful for this sort of price range. Although it's 2 stories at the back, and this is the rear entrance through the garden, it's 3 stories at the front, proper house with underground secure parking, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, balcony at the front, and this great south-facing garden, so you're going to get the sun all day, and that leads on to communal terraces here. It is a lovely house. Now, if you're looking up to 1.5, 1.6, you may be thinking, oh, it's not for me, but if you are in this price range, it's lovely. I would very happily live here. Berkeley Homes really are great builders. The finish of these places is always top-notch, beautiful oak flooring. And this room just works so well. So I think we'll I'll just stand over here, so maybe you can go to the back. This is going to be the living room area, and it's delineated very nicely, this lovely 33-foot reception, by this beautiful kitchen, 2 breakfast bars, composite worktop. Very nice indeed. Lovely staircase leading upstairs, so 2 bedroom suites upstairs. And here, so maybe if we capture off over there, I think, over the top of the units, is a really nice dining area. I love there's under unit lighting, over unit lighting, induction hob, just a very nice space with light streaming in from front and back. So south facing double glazed patio doors to the fabulous south facing garden at the back. And then upstairs, remember, this isn't it. I know it's quite confusing coming in from the back, but it's just such a nice way of getting in. On the ground floor, there's another floor underneath the living room. This is the principal suite, so I'll let you have a quick look out there, Tony. And it's really nice, the views are lovely. So that is Sutcliffe Park at the end of the road, and they do park runs there every Saturday morning at 9 o'clock. Great place for a run or a walk with your dog, nice and flat. There's an athletic centre there as well. Just a really nice park. You've got a 24-hour concierge here as well, which works very well. Lovely ensuite. And another great bedroom suite just here. Pegless Square, which forms the heart of the community, and Berkeley Homes really is all about creating community and communities, is about a 3-4 minutes walk in that direction. And you've got shops, there's a Sainsbury's, pubs, and Kidbrooke Station, which is, I'm going to say 14 minutes to London Bridge, and then that goes on to Cannon Street, Charing Cross. Great place to jump on the train before it gets to Blackheath, because it gets a little bit busier once you do get to Blackheath. So you can generally get a seat from Kidbrooke, which is always nice. So here we go. I kind of said it was here, so I can't really say, I bet you weren't expecting this, but it did come as a bit of surprise when we were having a look around. That is a very nice sized bedroom. Obviously this is the front door, and there's a very cool feature waiting for you. This is a capacious shower room, so plenty of leg room, very nice. And there's a utility cupboard there with washing machine and dryer and stuff. And then just out here, oh, this is kind of the icing on the cake really, because is straight out to your secure private underground parking space. It's just so cool. Just so cool. I love this. Right, let's head back in. We're going to finish up now, but before we do, ensure we have the key. Before we do, I just want to show you the front of the house, which is lovely. We just decided it was kind of nicer to go in from the back, but so the problem with that is it doesn't really give an idea of the scale of what you're getting for your money in this lovely, lovely development. So there you go, that's Sutcliffe Park, just at the end of the road. What a fabulous house. I'm a big fan of Kidbrooke Village, and I'm a big fan of this house in this price range. Check it out on our website. There'll be a link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have just today launched a community YouTube channel, Welcome to Blackheath in Greenwich, celebrating everything that's fabulous about this wonderful community that we live in, work in Blackheath Village. We got one video up there at the moment, but we're going to be releasing a video every couple of weeks. We've got 5-6 in the bank at the moment, with a lot more to come. I think they're great. Please hop over, take the time to subscribe, and if you were to comment, share, give me a like, that would be much appreciated, because we're just building that at the moment. Very excited about it. Thank you very much for watching, and to all my subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing and leaving a comment and giving me a thumbs up. See you next time. Thank you very much.